Ciao, I am Francesco Lenzi, the chef and the owner of Lenzi Tuscan Kitchen. The inspiration of my menu comes from my family and my motherland, Tuscany. Why? Because some of the product we sell into my restaurant come from my family production. I say family because for me the food is something that needs to be shared with your friends, with your family, and for me friends and family are the same thing. I start this simple recipe. It started, I really enjoy it when I was making and that's why in many years I understood that maybe the chef was my future job. I never think that maybe I was becoming a patron chef and I was opening 2 restaurants in Bangkok, but this is destiny. So I think the best quality in a young chef should be never give up. Always searching to follow your chef and never be egocentric. This will not make the chef learn, but at the same time the chef needs to believe in himself. So never give up. Always do, even the simple jobs, everything needs to be done. Always need to be near your chef, follow your chef. Before he asks you something, you need to be there already. Give him what he wants. So that's why when a comique can become a chef de cuisine, when he put all his passion, all his heart in his job. So this I would say, before knowing how to cook, before knowing how are the ingredients, you need to know this is a really hard job. And you need to be able to do everything in your kitchen. So be simple, be attentive, and put all of your passion in this job. Like this, for sure, you will have a long way. My recommended dish in my restaurant is to come here, call me, and I will come to you, and we will see together what is your favorite dish. Because what I'm trying to do, I like to give choice to the people, and I need to know who you are and what do you like. When I know this, I can really suggest you what to eat and what to test in my Lenzi Tuscan.